have a whole bunch of squishmallows. That is so cute. Should we get one? Yes. And I got the phone case. That's cool. Square. They have a lot of cool stuff, you guys. You guys, I might be addicted to the store already. Hey guys, it's the Auntie Niece Show. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome if you are new. We are heading to Hobby Lobby to see what kind of things they have, if they have any fidgets, any mini brands. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notifications bell so you don't miss out whenever we upload. Let's go. We're here, guys. Okay, so they have a lot of slime. They have a lot of slime. Look at that house. That's cool. Wow. Those are cool. Like this. So this is sensory and motion sand. Trying to find a toy section, but I can't find it. Oh, look at this. I think I'm getting closer to the toys, but right now, can't find them. Look at this little stuff. Mini stuff for these Barbie houses. That is so nice. And they have little pop-up ones. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is like the miniature stuff. They have colas. Oh, I get those. Look at all the mini stuff they have. They have miniature eggs, Oreos.
And I doubled up like the XYZ.
That's so cool. Look at those. Those are nice. They have some fidgets. Like this one is really cool. Oh, somebody grabbed it. They have this squishy man. Oh, it's kind of hard. This one is squishy. They have this.
What does it say?
But that's about it. This is a tornado twisty. It's not working. Okay, that's not working. Why do they just have that? I don't see a toy section though. think this is just it.
What if the other store will have it? Maybe they have it in another color?
I'm gonna keep looking, guys, but I think this is all I have. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got though. So I got this K and I got the 50. When we hit 50K, I want to do a big thing for it. So I got a 5. Is that a 5 or a 2? I hope I didn't get it. That looks like a 5, right? Yeah, it's a 5. But it also can be a backwards too. But we got a 50K, so when we hit 50, I also got these little, I don't know, I thought these were really cute. These little teddy bears. And then I got these brown bears. And then I got these little colas. These are so cute. I have the bottle cola, but not the can cola. So we're gonna add these to our mini store. Okay guys, so we just left Hobby Lobby. They had no toys. They had nothing in there. From what I showed you, that's all they had. And I thought Hobby Lobby had more toys than that. Like, I be seeing mini brands. People having mini brands. They have fidgets, but that store, this particular store, only had like a minimum amount of stuff. So we're gonna head to another store and I'll see you when I get there. Guys, we're at the paper store. We're gonna head in now. So you walk in. Here go the pop-it stand. Ooh, look at that one. Lighting is bad in here, but they have snappers, pea poppers, bracelets, putty, spinner fidgets. They have pop tubes. There's some more over here. Oh, look at this one. Game controller. That is so cute. Oh, we got peach. This one's cute. And I got the phone case. Oh, this one's nice. I've never been here before, you guys. Squishmallow, honeys, Squishmallow rings. These are all Squishmallows. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. This one is Clara. Guys, I might be addicted to the store already. Oh look, they got the original one. They got a soccer, basketball poppet, a baseball poppet, and a football poppet. And they have LOL, Hatchimals, and the world's smallest. Ooh, they got more toys, wow. So they have snow pets. I've never saw this before. Should we get one of those? How much is it? They have some real little shoes. Some putty. I don't know, this looks kind of cool. I never saw it. Oh, they got more poppets. And we got the game. Squares. This is a nice color. I got hearts. Oh, look at this one. I like that one. And the bigger ones here. All the small ones. Ooh, they even have these. They got a lot of them. And then they got they have a whole bunch of squishmallows. Like, I don't really want to collect them anymore. They have more stuff. Simply Frenchies. They have a lot of cool stuff, you guys. And a lot of Fidgets. Unicorn slime. Scented gummies. They have the cat pickles out of the bag. Oh, look. Ooh, look how big this is. Should we get one? Oh my gosh. That's huge. And they have noodle balls. They have the world's smallest and some squishies. This is so cool. Look, the world's smallest Hot Wheel. Ooh, look at this. Super soaker. Oh, look at this. Neato. cute. More squishmallows here. We're at Target right now. Hey guys, so we just got from Target and they said that they had Wave 2 mini brands. I know they're discontinued now, but they said they had them, but they didn't have them. So I just got 3 Wave 2, well, Series 2, yeah, Wave 2 toy mini brands. So we're gonna do a little cart opening and see what we got. So here we go. Ready, guys? Okay, so for our first one, there's no shake. We got CASHAPP from Series 1. This is from Series 1. Series 1 again. I got the Michelangelo mask, you guys. Okay, we got a Wave 2 item. Ooh, we got a new one. We got the cotton candy stretchy slime. Yay! It's rolling there. Something's rolling. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. And I'm hungry, guys. What should I eat? I really want to get a Starbucks drink. My favorite drink from Starbucks. There's actually Starbucks like right next to me. There we go. Okay. Opening. Okay, we got a new one from Series. I have this one, but it's still new. We got some slime. We have to see if this is glow in the dark or not, but we got that one. We got a Super Bowl. I already know what this is. You guys could already kind of tell. It's a MIP. A MIP robot. The Wave 2 one. I'm gonna still try and see if there's Series 3 in Walmart. I mean, look at me mixing them up. Our last Wave 2. Okay, we got another one that'll stay. We got a Shimmer and Shine, that's old. We got Bancho balloons. I believe these are the new ones. Oh no, these are the old ones. We got a card. They need to learn how to make things without a card. We got paint. So the only thing we got good was this cotton candy thing, and a car is pulled next to me and stare at me, so I'm gonna go. Bye guys. So that is the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.